If you are passionate about looking after children, then you should consider starting a childcare business looking after other people's children while they are at work. With more and more families having two working parents, there is a booming demand for childcare. This is the perfect business for stay at home parents as you can run it from your own home. With some minor adjustments for child safety and proper hygiene, or you can work from people's homes if preferred, though this will limit you to one or a few clients. To get registered, to get started, you will need to be or become a registered childminder and have an up-to-date DBS check, formerly CRP. You will also need to create a schedule, series of activities and provision of catering. Be careful of food allergies. In terms of marketing your childcare business, you should outreach to local pre and primary schools to advertise your services to parents, and you can also partner with local nurseries to deal with their overflow and to expand your childcare businesses, your services. Once established, you may also consider opening up a day nursery for children of different ages. You will be expected to provide a basic educational program, refreshments and fun activities in most cases. There is also a trend for outdoor nurseries that run activities with children in the countryside or woods.